Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this delicious flaky crumbly Soan Papri, also known as Patisa. A very easy dish to follow, and very easy, simple step-by-step recipe. Okay then my lovelies, stay with me and I'll show you how this is made. First of all, you will need half a cup of plain flour, half a cup of besan flour. Mix it well together. Then heat a flat pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Once all melted, add the flour ingredients. You got to constantly keep on stirring this. There'll be lots of lumps and bumps, but it will start to break away as you stir. If you don't have besan flour, no worries, just use plain flour instead. But the besan flour does give it an extra something. I stirred it for about 12 minutes on a low heat. Set this aside and move on to the next step. To make the caramel, add 1 cup of sugar and add a little bit of water, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Not too much water though, just enough to make the sugar a little bit wet. Stir and let it turn into caramel. 25 to 30 minutes on a medium heat. Constantly keep on stirring this. And don't rush this by putting the heat up either, it will just burn the sugar and you end up with brown crystals. As soon as the sugar turns a nice golden colour, it's ready. You can test this a little bit as well. I'm sorry the camera doesn't show it really well, but if you add a little bit into cold water, you can sort of mould it into a little ball. That's when you know it's ready. Turn the heat off and pour into a pan and let it set for a minute or 2. Don't touch this as it was extremely hot. Keep stirring the caramel, folding it inwards, and as it cools it will solidify a little bit, making it easier to work with your hands later on. Alright then guys, let's move on now. I'm going to remove the caramel from the pan and put it onto the worktop now. I'm going to fold this caramel over and over. Keep pulling out and folding over and over. Do this about 15 to 20 times. Then roll it out into a long sausage sized piece and then join the 2 ends together. Right then, now it's time to sprinkle over the flour mixture over the caramel ring. Keep on stretching this and twisting this and fold it over like a figure of 8. Keep on doing this for about 30 minutes over and over. The caramel and the besan flour will start to get tight and resist for a little while and you think it's all going to fail and not work out. But don't give up. Keep going. I promise you, it will turn into Patisa or Soan Papri. Do be careful not to overstretch, as the caramel will snap and break. This is the part in our recipe that we thought we hit a brick wall and all had failed. We were about to give up, and we even were about to put the camera away. But my wife said, nope, let's keep on going. So she went on for about 10 minutes, kept pulling, stretching, going round and round in circles, and eventually it actually did turn into Soan Papri. So don't give up, guys, keep on going. Awesome. Look how stringy and thin the threads are getting now. Keep on going. It's really important that you get the sugar mixture and the flour mixture just right. You've got to roast the flour mixture. Get rid of that raw flour tasting. After about 30 minutes, you can see how stringy it's all gone. And even the colour has changed from a crispy golden brown to a nice pale blonde. It looks a bit like candy floss, I think. You can pick out some of the thick, chewy caramel bits and then keep pulling and stretching and making them finer. My Soan Papri is now ready, and I'm going to set it in this lovely little round dish. You can set it in any kind of dish you like. I prefer this round circular one. I garnished it with pistachios. You can use any kinds of nuts and raisins or fruits that you like. Lightly press using your fingertips to create the shape and mould. Don't overfill it, otherwise it will be too heavy and dense. Tap it out gently and you have your perfectly homemade Soan Papri ready. We just really wish we had somewhere to take these to now, a party or a wedding. But 2020, I don't think it's going to happen. We really hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen, and please try and make this at home for yourself. This Soan Papri Patisa is delicious and really simple and easy to make. Just need a little bit of muscle to work it out with. I'm going to split one in half now and show you how beautiful the inside is. It's like cotton candy, really fine thin threads and really chewy to eat as well. It's delicious. Don't forget to hit that bell button for more updates on Marjana's videos. Please like and share, and don't forget to comment. We'll answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.